We're hearing a hooing. And then we just heard like a person go like, oh.
Why are you fucking hugging me? Because we're fucking scared.
You guys are acting like Shaggy and Scooby.
I'm scared.
Woo! Oh, that's right. Is that a person? I wonder if it's a person. That's something dying.
Go. No, Frankie, go. Frankie,
No.
please go. Frankie.
Just go. What is that?
That's a bird, bro. Tyson, that's a goose. That's a goose.
Yeah, but it wasn't doing that howling.
Woo! Victor told me one time, if birds fly this way, something in the other way. Oh my god. No, you guys don't hear about anything.
Yeah, because
You guys are always talking, bro. I want to.
good thing we didn't decide to go to the forest.
Woo! That's fun.
That was a big one.
Woo!
Again, when Billy was doing it, like at the same time.
Wait, you remember like that skinwalker thing? If you answer and then a couple times and you answer back.
It's a skinwalker with animals. Still.
Woo!
I'd be intrigued to see a skinwalker. See, I hope the camera can hear that. It literally just happened. Billy just did that last week.
A mold thing.
A mold thing?
No, come look at me. A molding.
Fuck off. What was that? It just did it again. I was like, huh? I wonder if it's like a homeless person or something.
Woo!
I'm gonna go a bit closer. We're not going too close. We're not going in. Shut up. Yeah. There's a car coming. Behind the fucking house. Listen for the hooting. There. That was Tyson. That one was. We just heard it again before Tyson did it. I know. I wonder if it's moving.
Woo! Shut the fuck up. Tyson, shut the fuck up.
Billy, look. Billy. Our destruction is still here.